Welcome back to ABC Training. Today we are going to cover topic number 20 in Creo Parametric. Now let's see the contents. Creating and using assembly structure and skeletons. In this example, we will be using the initial design skeleton for an elliptical exercise bike and bring it to life. Okay. So step 1. First, define the ground body by selecting the curves that define it. The selected entities are automatically copied to a skeleton body as an external copy geometry feature. You can add more skeleton bodies using the same process. Okay. Now see. This we will be seeing in Creo. Step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, these are the steps, means how to create and use assembly structure and skeletons. Okay, all these 4 tips we will be seeing in Creo. Okay, now let's go to the another part. Solid models from a motion skeleton. A skeleton part has the same part name convention as a regular PRT, that is an extension for the part, but Creo sees it differently. Creo gives it a special designation of being a skeleton so that other individual parts can reference it without having to go through the process of an external reference, as explained in working with external references. If an engineer does not use a skeleton part, they would have to use external references, causing the model to load unnecessary assemblies and components to find the correct reference. Because skeleton models are a non-solid part, they are excluded from mass and surface properties as well as bill of materials, that is BOM. This makes skeleton models unique from regular parts. Creating solid models from a motion skeleton. See. Okay. Now let's go to Creo and understand this whole topic. Okay guys, now we are in Creo. Now let's see the concept of skeletons, and from that creating the solid parts in the assembly structure and all. So let's click on new, go to assembly. Okay, it will open the assembly module. Say now here you can see our datum planes assembly. You can see here there's a create option available in the component section just beside the assembly. Click on that. So we can create a part in the assembly also. So you can see parts of assembly, skeleton model, bulk team, or whatever you want to make. So let's click on skeleton model. Just like human beings and all the animals, the concept is similar only. Like when actually inside there is always a skeleton. So while designing a solid body or any assembly, what if we can make a skeleton part, so we won't have to change it again and again, time and time. We can build a solid body over that n number of times. So let's click on skeleton model. You can see the difference in this datum place once I click on this. See, assembly skeleton. Click on OK. Copy from existence. Yeah. See what happened? Here in the model tree, you can see assembly one, and here you can see assembly skeleton part. These 3 planes are added for making the skeleton. Right? Click on this. The option is activate. Activate the selected model. Click on this. Now those planes are hidden and only the skeleton planes are there. So let's sketch something here. Now what we can do, we can actually sketch something. Wait, let's click on the sketch view. We will do one thing, just draw a little circle here. Okay, then draw one line from here, one line from here. Click on dimension. Let's click on this and this. Make this angle as 80. Okay, now the circle, let's make it 50. It should be 45. Now yeah, that is okay, I guess. Let's make it 130. Okay, click on OK. Now see, this is the part that we have defined. Now let's create some planes also, so that in while designing the assembly we won't have to create again and again some datum planes or datum references or datum accesses. Okay, now escape, click on plane. I want to plane at this angle. This, wait, translation, references I want to change. Parallel, offset, normal. Let's create a normal. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I want normal to this one. Click on OK. Now see this plane we have created, and I want one plane. I have taken this plane for this. See, basically we are creating a cycles chain, cycles inside skeleton. This is a circular part. This is one pipe. This is second pipe. So we are giving references so that in the assembly section we will not have to be. Now let's create one plane here also. It's asking us. Let's give this translation. We can give 100. Let's create it. Wait a sec. Yeah, this is okay. Click on OK. Now see, this is our skeleton model that we have designed. Okay. Now assembly skeleton part, right? Now go to this and click on active. Now see, we activated it. Okay. Both the parts are active. Assembly part is there also. Assembly skeleton part is there also. What we can use, I know actually that you guys can understand the concept that why skeletons are created. While designing in assembly, while designing some new parts, we should not take so much time, or we should not feel very difficult to do it. That's why skeleton is used for taking references and all. Here, one more thing we can do. This is model. We can go to tools. Okay. So in these tools, see, publish geometry. One option is available here in the model intent. Model intent. See here, publish geometry option is also here. Click on that. So now surface sets, chain, references, whatever you want in assembly or the while designing some new part, you can give the references here. So click here to add item. Let's add one chain here. So select on this. Okay, it's not taking an option. From here you can give us now references actually can give this plane which we have created and this plane also. Whatever you want to give the references to see in the model tree, it's also coming as publish geometry ID 41, right? Just click on OK. So that's how the skeleton is used to drawing the assembly part. Whatever design you are making, whatever part model you are doing, or whatever assembly parts you are doing, we can do this. Okay. So this is the feature of skeletons in assembly part. Let's meet in next session.